after 72 hours of trying and programming and building our structure, we finally built this machine. Here we can see we have two buttons which could control our structure to push our item down. And this you can see is a keypad and this is a screen. And now we are going to see inner structure of this machine. Here you can see there are three Arduino Uno boards. This board supply energy to the screen, and this board it controls the majority of the machine. For example, this safety door, and this Uno board it control the two state motor to push item down, and our state motor are put in three-dimensional printed case. And the case contain a gear, so when the motor spins, then the case will move forth and back, then we can push item down. Now we are going to see the movement of our machine. Now we push the yellow button. You can hear the sound of the motor. And it successfully pushed the item down. And then the gravity will push the item to the place in the spin. Now we see another side. There's a keypad and this is a screen. And it just says it's a supply machine, and you can push two buttons to let two item down. The correct password here is 1234. When we enter the false password, it will say it's wrong. But when we push 1, 2, 3, 4, then we can see our safety door go down. And we say a 30-second timeout to let it push the item in. And when 30 seconds go out, then the safety door will automatically go up. But we can just push this button to let the safety door to go back. We push this button and we see our safety door go back. Here is our Arduino PCB board, and we use two lines to deliver currents to our breadboard. And afterward, we use breadboard and then use two lines to deliver power to our two step motors. And over here, inside this three-dimensional printed case is our step motors. And this structure contains a gear. And this, when the motor spins, then the gear will make this motor to go forth and back. And then it can push the item down. Now we stimulate the movement. We push down our tissue, and then you can see here we push our yellow button, and then we can see our motor work as intended. The motor function well. It just push down our item. And this side, it pushed down our toilet cover, and we tested it worked as well as we intended. Here is our PCB board, and we use this to deliver energy to those devices. And this is our track, and it contains a motor, and the motor is inside this three-dimensional printed case. And then motor, after we push the button, then the motor will rotate. And here, and you can see here, and this will go forth, and then after he reach here, then it will go back. And this works as well. And this is another board, and we use it to amplify the current. Then this makes the motor can rotate more quickly and more powerful. And then we can use this two track to push our item down. this is another module. And here we can see we have two PCB boards. First is here and another is here. We can see here we use a 2-pin line to deliver our currents here. And this you can see another like 2-to-1 line. It will deliver this current to this LCD screen. Why we do this is since our voltage is not enough, so we have to do this. But the major control will be on this board. And this board will also deliver currents to the breadboard too. And here our motor will receive the currents delivered from here. And now we see how this works. Here our screen shows some message like this. It says, please press L button to get tissue paper. And here we can see our 1, 2, 3, 4. And see if we just enter one password, for example, 7654, and it will say one password. But if we just enter the correct password, I mean 1, 2, 3, 4, and it will show right password. And then our motor will rotate, and it will make our this test to move. And then it will push a door up and down. See if we push this button, and then this will go back like this. Then it go back. But here's another test. We can just wait about 30 seconds to make the motor go back. See, we enter the password again. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then just go through there. And we wait until we reach here. And we can see here it says 30 seconds times out, and we roll this, and then we just wait about 30 seconds, and then the motor will go back. And we would like to do this since this movement simulated the movements of push our door up and push our door down. And it's about 30 seconds. You can see we don't push any button, but our motor go back. And just as previous said, this two-port function is to just amplify the currents, and the motor will work more powerful and more stable.